Hi guys, we have things to unbox. And yeah, this is the last item. So we have these three big boxes to unbox. The weather is currently so hot, but I said I need to unbox these items. I'm looking for knife. I am so excited for these. I know I got this electric pressure cooker. This is a pot set. I think I should have a waffle maker here, and I'm not sure what else. Start with this. I got this from Lagos, from Zizat Empire on Instagram. Oh, I think this is a stainless pot. So this is a mini waffle maker. I am so excited about it. It's actually really small. Like the mini waffle maker with them column is not a joke. Look at it. So beautiful. So cute. Let me plug. It turned yellow. So I think maybe you put it and when it's red you bring it out, but it's really cute. Love it. So we have the waffle maker. Guys, I never use this. I never read these manuals, but I have somewhere I always keep them. Like I have a full stack of all my manuals just in case they decide to move mad. I got a tongue. If you watched my set up my kitchen video with me, you know that spoon set I got did not come with a tongue. So I got this. Is this like cream? Yeah, looks really good and it's branded. And I have, what is this? Okay, so this is definitely a gift because I didn't get this because I have a knife sharpener. It says thank you for supporting my business. Your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours. Definitely made my own day as well. Knife sharpener. So nice of her to have given me this. I feel like if you ask me at the end of this video what my favorite buy is, it may be a bit difficult because I've wanted a proper stainless for some time. In fact, there's a stainless pot set I'm eyeing, but it didn't have frying pans, so I didn't want to get that. This is so beautiful. This is gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. It's so pretty. Wow, look at that. It says Halls, Roland, Germany design. Oh my god. I feel like I should have also gotten the bigger one. This is so beautiful. Onto the pressure cooker. This is just um, a pressure cooker for cooking things like beans. Basically, foods that take time to cook. Can use it for tough meat as well. And yep, it's quite big. This is 6 liters. This was 75k for 6 liters. Away. That's so beautiful. Okay, so this is like when they say 6 liters, you think it's very big. This thing is not big, oh. I'm happy I went with the 6 liters and nothing smaller. I'm happy I went with this. So this is a measuring cup. It has the plug-in thingy. Came with this spoon, and I don't know what this is. But this is so beautiful. I really love it. It looks so good. Now this is a cookware set. This one went for 160,000 and it's a ceramic. It's a ceramic pot set. I think I got no I think I got it in blue. And to think that normally I'm not somebody who like go for blue colored things. It's also ironical that I'm wearing a blue shirt while saying this. But yes, I'm not a blue girl, but somehow, from the pictures she sent, so pretty. Let me give you guys close up for this one. See how gorgeous is this? This is so so pretty. Oh, and it comes with a spoon set, which is so beautiful. I think I really like this. Um, okay, so what I'm going to say is that I don't this spoon set. It feels very strong, oh, but it feels like this one cannot really pick up a number of things, but the body feels strong. Um, so this one feels a bit flimsy actually. Well, I'm not really interested in this spoon set. They're just cute to be honest, mostly for decor. So this is the cup holder of the spoon set. Yeah, they're not very sturdy or anything, but it's fine. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this? How beautiful is this? Look at that. Quality products, aluminium, supreme. So beautiful. It's a ceramic set, like I mentioned earlier. Um, this is I've forgotten what this is called now. I don't know why I forgot the name, but I really love this. Whenever I get a pot set, this is like my favorite thing. So this is the cover to that small pot, the stock pot, if I'm not mistaken. Um, oh, and then there's a bigger stock pot. So pretty. This is so. I wish. Ah, I'm so happy. Like I am so happy, and it feels so good as well. The cover. It feels like a lot. How many pieces is this? Okay, this should be 6 piece pot. A manual that I would not be reading, but I'm going to keep. Yep. This I love. I am in love, guys. Look at that. Say hello to the camera. The frying pans don't have covers, but these other ones have covers. You guys, these are so pretty. I am so in love. I love what I got.